Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to make some chicken dish. So these are the ingredients I used. For this recipe I have used 10 chicken drumsticks, some garam masala, ginger powder, chili flakes, turmeric, paprika, parsley, black pepper powder, salt to taste, soy sauce, minced garlic. Now mix it all up. Make sure your hands are clean. Wrap the tray with some tin foil. Put some holes on the foil so that the steam can be released. I have preheated the oven at 400 degrees. Put the chicken in the oven and cook it for 1 hour. This is an easy recipe to go for when you want to cook in the oven. After an hour, the chicken is all done. And here is the end result. Everybody said it was really good and tasty. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are gonna try this. Thanks for watching.